What are the best web browsers available for Roku?
Welcome to our video on the best web browsers available for your Roku device. In this video, we'll be discussing the top web browsers you can use to enhance your Roku browsing experience.
What is Roku?
Roku is a popular streaming device that allows users to access thousands of channels and streaming services on their TV. While it's primarily designed for streaming video content, there are also web browsers available that can be used on the platform.
Why use a web browser on Roku?
Having a web browser on your Roku device can be handy when you want to quickly look up information, browse the internet, or even access certain websites that don't have dedicated Roku apps.
What are the best web browsers for Roku?
There are a few web browsers that can be used on Roku, but the following two are the most popular and highly recommended. 1. Web Browser X. Web Browser X is a well-known browser that offers a user-friendly interface and various features such as bookmarking, multiple tabs, and support for HTML5. It is one of the top choices for Roku users. 2. Poprism. Poprism is another browser that works on the Roku platform. While it may not have all the features of Web Browser X, it's a lightweight option with a simple user interface, making it ideal for basic browsing needs.
How to install a web browser on Roku?
To install a web browser on your Roku device, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Roku home screen. 2. Navigate to the Streaming Channels section. 3. Search for the desired web browser, e.g., Web Browser X or Poprism, using the search bar. 4. Select the web browser and click on Add Channel to install it.
Are there any limitations to using web browsers on Roku?
Yes, there are some limitations when using web browsers on Roku. Web browsers on Roku might not offer the same level of performance as on a computer or mobile device. Some websites may not display correctly or load slowly due to the limitations of the Roku platform. Video playback might not be supported on all websites. Despite these limitations, having a web browser on your Roku device can be useful for basic browsing and quick searches. In this video, we've covered the best web browsers for Roku, including Web Browser X and Poprism, and discussed how to install them on your device. While there are some limitations, having a web browser on your Roku can still be a convenient addition to your streaming experience.